Let's be real, showing up on camera every week isn't scalable, but in 2025, high-impact video doesn't need you to hit record. Instead, you can launch client-winning video assets, scripted, voiced, and produced entirely by AI. No filming, no editing, no stress. So in this video, I'll break down the 10 smartest AI video types coaches, consultants, and service pros are using right now to generate leads, nurture trust, and close deals on autopilot. Top 10 AI video formats that drive results without you on camera. AI avatar intro video. A human-like avatar introduces your brand, offer, and next step in under 90 seconds. Perfect for home pages, booking pages, funnels, client onboarding walkthrough. Automated welcome video that sets expectations, introduces your process, and preps new clients. Perfect for coaching programs, service delivery, client portals. AI-powered LinkedIn DM videos. Short, personalized outreach videos that feel custom but are made in bulk. Perfect for cold outreach, networking, B2B lead journey, faceless content explainers, text to video explainers using slides, stock, and AI voice, zero camera needed. Perfect for teaching frameworks, warming leads. Offer deep dive quick video walkthrough of your offer, how it works, who it's for, and what's next. Perfect for landing pages, retargeting ads, proposals, AI FAQ, objection videos, answer common questions or objections in short clips once and for all. Perfect for email sequences, sales pages, live chat widgets, AI generated shorts, no face needed, bold text, voiceover, and motion graphics, attention grabbing reels without ever filming. Perfect for TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts, evergreen webinar funnel, full 20 to 30 minute masterclass, scripted by AI, delivered by an avatar. Perfect for passive lead gen, digital product sales, lead magnet promo video. Use AI to create teaser videos that pitch your freebie. Perfect for ad campaign, email list growth, weekly thought leadership series, batch, create 5 to 10 short AI videos sharing insights, tips, or takes. Perfect for LinkedIn, YouTube, email content. How to start in under 48 hours. All you need is AI avatar tools, your look or a fictional persona, studio quality AI voiceovers, stock footage, slides, or motion graphics, scripting help from ChatGPT or Earth. Pick a format, script it, build it with AI, post it, profit, done. Want it built for you, start to finish. At Authority Videos, we create complete AI video assets and funnels for coaches, consultants, agencies, experts, and service pros. Your message, your brand, no camera needed. Book your free 30-minute strategy session. We'll show you exactly which 3 AI videos you need this month to scale trust and sales. I'm Anukul from Authority Videos, where AI video does the heavy lifting and you stay focused on growing your business.